Tinospora sinensis, known as Chinese Tinospora, is a climbing shrub belonging to the Menispermaceae family, extensively used in traditional medicine throughout East and Southeast Asia, predominantly found in China, Vietnam, India, and other tropical and subtropical regions. It has long been valued for its potent medicinal properties, especially its anti-inflammatory, immunomodulatory, and antioxidant effects. Thriving in tropical forests, Tinospora sinensis is typically harvested during the rainy season, when the plant reaches its maximum vitality. Post-harvest, stems, leaves, and roots can be utilized fresh or dried, depending on the intended medicinal use or preparation method. Traditionally, different parts of Tinospora sinensis, particularly the stems and roots, are processed into decoctions, powders, and extracts. These preparations are widely used to enhance immunity, alleviate inflammation, and improve overall vitality. Tinospora sinensis is rich in bioactive constituents. Alkaloids such as berberine, which exhibit immunomodulatory, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Polysaccharides, known to support immune system functions. Terpenoids, contribute to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capabilities. Flavonoids, provide antioxidant effects and support cardiovascular health. 5 key health benefits of Tinospora sinensis. 1. Immune system enhancement. Studies indicate that polysaccharides and alkaloids in Tinospora sinensis significantly enhance immune function, increasing resistance to infections and diseases. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Bioactive compounds such as berberine effectively reduce inflammation, helping manage conditions like arthritis, chronic inflammation, and inflammatory skin conditions. 3. Antioxidant activity. Flavonoids and terpenoids present in the plant neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and slowing cellular aging, thereby potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Hepatoprotective benefits. Traditionally utilized to promote liver health, extracts from Tinospora sinensis demonstrate protective effects against liver toxicity, supporting liver regeneration and detoxification processes. 5. Metabolic support. The plant has shown promise in improving glucose metabolism and supporting metabolic health, beneficial for managing blood sugar levels and promoting metabolic balance. In Vietnamese medicine, Tinospora sinensis is extensively used as an immunostimulant, anti-inflammatory remedy, and tonic for overall vitality. The stems are frequently prepared as tea or decoctions, while root extracts are traditionally administered to detoxify the liver and enhance immune responses. How to use Tinospora sinensis? Tea or decoction. Boil 10-15 grams of dried stems or roots for 15-20 minutes. Consume warm for immune support and anti-inflammatory effects. Extracts or capsules. Standardized forms for consistent therapeutic use, typically 300-500 mg daily. Topical application. Poultices made from crushed leaves help reduce local inflammation or joint swelling. Precautions and side effects. Pregnancy and lactation. Insufficient data. Consult healthcare providers before use. Potential allergies. Rare allergic reactions possible, especially in sensitive individuals. Drug interactions. Caution is advised for those on immunosuppressive or anti-diabetic medications. FAQs. What is Tinospora sinensis used for? Primarily for enhancing immunity, reducing inflammation, liver health, and metabolic support. Is Tinospora sinensis safe during pregnancy? Safety during pregnancy and lactation is not fully established. Medical consultation is advised. How can Tinospora sinensis be consumed? It can be taken as teas, decoctions, extracts, capsules, or topical preparations. Are there side effects? Side effects are rare, but may include mild gastrointestinal disturbances or allergic reactions.
Rediscover the joy of movement with Naturem Joints Plus. This exceptional natural supplement is designed to support your joint health and enhance your active lifestyle. With its unique blend of powerful ingredients, Naturem Joints Plus addresses joint discomfort at its core, ensuring long-lasting flexibility and ease. Whether you're pushing your limits in sports or seeking relief from daily joint stress, Naturem Joints Plus is your partner in achieving comfort and confidence. Embrace a life of movement and vitality today.
At the heart of Naturem Joints Plus are scientifically backed key components that work synergistically to support your joints.
Collagen peptide enhances bone density, repairs cartilage, reduces inflammation and pain, and improves joint elasticity and lubrication, effectively supporting joint health.
Clinacanthus nutans. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, this plant extract may help reduce swelling and promote skin and tissue healing, contributing to overall wellness.
Drinaria fortunei, a traditional herbal ingredient that supports bone health and aids in the repair of damaged tissues, helping to strengthen joints and improve mobility.
Rhizoma homalomina promotes circulation and supports joint flexibility, while also possessing anti-inflammatory properties that may alleviate discomfort and enhance physical resilience.
Tinospora sinensis supports immune function and reduces inflammation, offering protective effects for connective tissues and joints, while promoting recovery and vitality.
Designed for daily use, Naturem Joints Plus is easy to incorporate into your routine.
As with any dietary supplement, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional before use, particularly if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications.
With Naturem Joints Plus, you can take a proactive step toward maintaining strong, healthy joints and enjoying the freedom of pain-free movement. Empower your body with the natural support it deserves.
Don't forget to subscribe for more daily wellness tips.